this video, I'm going to show you how to add money, cheat engine, supermarket together. So first off, you just have to search for cheat engine and you just have to install this cheat engine in browser. So just click that, go to downloads, and as you can see, just download this. Once you are done downloading, you could go to cheat engine and open your cheat engine. Then make sure you open your supermarket together also. So once that, you should just and imagine that there is a supermarket together. You must click that and open. For example, just like this, just like this. You must open it. Now you must hex. So just input the value of your number in the money of your supermarket together. So you just have to copy whatever is your money. Now go to first scan. Now I will show you the picture of the supermarket together. Just add some items and buy. After adding the buy some items in supermarket together, you should go back to your cheat engine and make sure to type the value again of your original money in your supermarket together. For example, if it is 6765, now just click next scan. Now once you have clicked that next scan, it will automatically appear here in address, and you could change the value whatever you want, and it would change the value money in supermarket together, and that's it.